What's up, everyone? Today I'm bringing you a list that will help you save a lot of money. The motorcycles with the lowest maintenance costs you can buy in 2026. If you want a reliable bike that's cheap to maintain and won't let you down, stick around till the end. There are some big surprises here. Let's get started. 1. Honda Pop 110i. The Honda Pop 110i stands out as one of the simplest, most economical motorcycles ever built. And that's exactly what makes it so inexpensive to maintain. Its 110 cubic centimeter engine is designed with minimal moving parts and maximum reliability, reducing the chances of mechanical failure and lowering maintenance costs drastically. Oil changes use very small quantities of oil. Spare parts are some of the cheapest available, and the overall construction is extremely durable for its size. The Pop 110i is lightweight, which reduces wear on brakes, tires, chain, and engine components. It's a bike that can take years of everyday commuting without demanding expensive repairs. Fuel efficiency is also one of its strongest points. Many riders report outstanding mileage, making it perfect for delivery workers or anyone who needs to ride many miles per day. The engine rarely overheats, even in heavy traffic, and the fuel injection system is reliable and low maintenance. The Pop may not have high performance or advanced features, but its simplicity is exactly what makes it so cheap to own. If you need a basic, durable, low-cost motorcycle that focuses on practicality above all else, the Pop 110i is one of the smartest choices out there. 2. Honda Biz 125. The Honda Biz 125 is a legendary motorcycle when it comes to low maintenance costs. Its fuel-injected 125 cubic centimeter engine is extremely efficient, smooth, and known for lasting many years with only routine servicing. One of the biggest advantages of the Biz is its semi-automatic transmission, which eliminates the clutch lever and reduces wear on internal components, making repairs cheaper and less frequent. The Biz also offers excellent fuel economy, helping riders save money daily. Parts are widely available across the entire country, and because it shares components with other Honda models, prices stay low. Mechanics love working on the Biz because access to the engine is easy, routine service is fast, and breakdowns are rare. The bike is also designed with practicality in mind. It has under-seat storage, a comfortable riding position, and a lightweight design that keeps tires and brakes from wearing out prematurely. Whether used for commuting, delivery work, or weekend rides, the Honda Biz 125 remains one of the most cost-effective motorcycles, combining reliability, comfort, and long-term affordability. 3. Yamaha Factor 150. The Yamaha Factor 150 is well known for its robustness and extremely low ownership cost. Its 150 cubic centimeter engine is one of Yamaha's most reliable designs, built to handle daily use without overheating or suffering premature wear. The Factor requires minimal maintenance. Oil changes, filter replacements, and chain adjustments are straightforward and inexpensive. Parts are widely available and competitively priced, and the bike rarely presents mechanical issues. Its lightweight frame helps reduce wear on tires, suspension, and brakes, further lowering maintenance costs over time. Riders appreciate the Factor for its comfortable seating, smooth handling, and excellent fuel efficiency, which is often comparable to smaller bikes. The motorcycle's simple electronic system minimizes electrical problems, and mechanics consistently praise the model for its accessibility and durability. Whether you're commuting through busy city streets or riding longer distances, the Factor 150 offers stability, reliability, and exceptional cost benefit. It's a motorcycle built to last, and one that won't drain your wallet even after years of continuous use. 4. Honda Fan 150. The Honda Fan 150 is one of the most respected motorcycles in its category, especially when the goal is low maintenance cost. Its 150 cubic centimeter engine is extremely reliable, simple to service, and known for maintaining excellent performance even after thousands of miles of heavy use. Honda designed the fan with durability in mind. The cooling system is uncomplicated, the ignition system is stable, and the bike rarely suffers from electrical issues. Maintenance is cheap thanks to the wide availability of parts and the fact that almost every mechanic knows the CG/fan platform inside out. Oil changes, brake servicing, and chain adjustments are quick and inexpensive, keeping long-term ownership costs low. The Fan 150 is also impressively fuel efficient, helping riders spend less on gas over time. Even consumable parts like tires, brake pads, and filters are affordable and last a long time due to the bike's lightweight design. Its riding position is comfortable for commuting, and the suspension handles rough roads well without requiring constant work. Overall, the Honda Fan 150 remains a perfect blend of practicality, comfort, and extremely low maintenance costs, making it one of the best value motorcycles available. 5. Honda CG 125. The Honda CG 125 has earned a legendary status for being nearly indestructible and incredibly cheap to maintain. This model is built around simplicity, an air-cooled engine with minimal components, a robust frame, and a mechanical structure designed for long-term endurance. Because the CG 125 has been on the market for decades, spare parts are abundant and extremely affordable. Many components are interchangeable across generations, keeping prices low. Mechanics love this bike because everything is accessible. Valve adjustments, carburetor or injection servicing, chain maintenance, and brake work can be done quickly, reducing labor costs. The CG 125 is also known for exceptional fuel economy, often outperforming newer models in mileage. Its lightweight design reduces strain on the engine, tires, and brakes, helping extend the lifespan of consumables. Even when used for delivery work, where bikes face intense daily workloads, the CG 125 remains stable and dependable. For riders looking for the lowest possible maintenance cost while still owning a motorcycle capable of years of service, the CG 125 remains one of the most iconic and trustworthy options ever produced. 6. Honda CG 160. The Honda CG 160 continues the legacy of the CG line while offering more performance and modern fuel injection, all without raising maintenance costs significantly. The engine is smooth, durable, and built using Honda's long-standing philosophy of reliability and mechanical simplicity. Routine maintenance, such as oil changes, filter replacements, and chain adjustments, is very affordable and fast for mechanics to perform. Parts availability is excellent, and consumable items tend to last longer due to the bike's balanced design. The CG 160 delivers better torque and efficiency than previous versions, which helps riders navigate city traffic more comfortably while still keeping fuel consumption low. Its suspension is strong enough to handle rough roads without requiring frequent repair. The electrical system is stable and rarely presents issues, which reduces unexpected expenses. Riders appreciate the CG 160 for its comfort, low vibration levels, and predictable handling. Ultimately, the CG 160 offers a modern riding experience without abandoning the affordability and reliability that made the CG series famous. 7. Honda Titan 160. The Honda Titan 160 is a step above the basic CG models, offering a more premium experience while still maintaining impressively low maintenance costs. Its 160 cubic centimeter engine is fuel efficient, smooth, and extremely reliable, requiring only simple routine servicing to stay in excellent condition. What makes the Titan stand out is its enhanced comfort, refined design, and slightly stronger performance, all achieved without adding expensive components or complicated systems. Oil changes, filter replacements, and brake servicing remain inexpensive, and replacement parts are widespread thanks to shared components with the CG family. The Titan's more ergonomic seat and improved suspension make it ideal for riders who spend long hours on the road, helping reduce wear on both the rider and the machine. Despite being more premium, it remains incredibly cheap to maintain because the mechanical structure is essentially the same trusted Honda platform. Mechanics often praise how easy it is to work on the Titan, which helps keep labor prices low. For riders seeking a stylish, comfortable, and reliable bike without higher ownership costs, the Titan 160 is one of the best choices you can make. 8. Honda Bros 160. The Honda Bros 160 is a favorite among riders who deal with mixed terrain, offering a perfect balance between durability, comfort, and incredibly low maintenance costs. Built on a robust semi-trail platform, it's designed to handle potholes, dirt roads, rain, and constant vibration without developing structural or mechanical issues. The 160 cubic centimeter engine is highly efficient, easy to maintain, and known for its long lifespan even under heavy daily use. The bike's reinforced suspension absorbs impacts exceptionally well, helping avoid premature wear on wheels, spokes, and chassis components. Routine maintenance, oil changes, filters, brake servicing, chain adjustments, remains cheap and parts are widely available. The Bros also benefits from shared components with the CG/Titan line, which keeps replacement prices very low. Its riding position is extremely comfortable, especially for long distances, reducing fatigue and allowing the bike to work for hours without overheating or stressing mechanical parts. Whether for urban commuting, delivery work, or rural travel, the Bros 160 is one of the most reliable and economical motorcycles to maintain, with a reputation for surviving harsh conditions where many bikes struggle. 9. Yamaha Phaser 250. The Yamaha Phaser 250 is an impressive combination of performance, reliability, and low running costs, making it one of the best-maintained motorcycles in the 250 cc category. Despite having more power than smaller commuter bikes, the Phaser is designed with a simple, strong, and long-lasting engine that tolerates high mileage extremely well. Yamaha's fuel injection system is efficient and stable, reducing maintenance needs and ensuring consistent performance. Parts availability is excellent, and even though some components cost slightly more than smaller motorcycles, their durability offsets the expense. The Phaser is also known for excellent cooling, which helps prevent overheating during long rides or heavy traffic. Routine maintenance is straightforward. Oil changes, valve checks, brake services, and most mechanics are familiar with the model. Fuel economy is surprisingly good for a 250 cubic centimeters, which lowers overall ownership cost. Its frame is sturdy, the suspension is well balanced, and the electrical system rarely presents issues. For riders who want more power without sacrificing low maintenance costs, the Phaser 250 remains one of the best and most trusted choices. 10. Honda XRE 300. The Honda XRE 300 is a larger and more capable motorcycle, yet Honda has managed to keep its maintenance costs surprisingly reasonable. The 300cc engine is durable and designed for heavy use, whether in the city, on highways, or on difficult off-road terrain. Riders appreciate its torque, comfort, and versatility, while mechanics praise its accessible layout and reliable fuel injection system. The XRE's chassis is reinforced to withstand impacts, vibration, and long-distance travel, reducing the chances of structural problems and contributing to lower long-term maintenance needs. Routine servicing remains affordable compared to other bikes in the same cylinder category, with oil changes, brake pads, filters, and chain kits available at competitive prices thanks to Honda's huge parts network. The suspension is one of the bike's strongest points, built to last and requiring minimal repairs when used properly. Although it is more powerful than smaller bikes, its fuel efficiency is solid and contributes to reduced overall operating costs. For anyone wanting a motorcycle that combines strength, durability, comfort, and still keeps maintenance prices accessible, the XRE 300 stands among the best options available. And that's it. These are the motorcycles with the lowest maintenance costs, perfect for anyone who wants to ride a lot without spending too much. Now tell me in the comments, which one of these bikes have you owned, or which one would you pick for 2026? Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Moto Start, let's ride.